And some recommendations for this is to lay it out on the floor. So now from the rope of the thing, we take this pot and we put it through. So guys, this is how it's looking now. This actually looks pretty neat. So now we are going to Hi guys, today we're gonna learn about a daddy. There's a daddy. Today we are going to be building a tree house. And now we just came home from the office bringing all the materials. And now we're gonna build it. So first off, we have to start by building the outer frame to put into here. So first you take this piece. It could be this side or this side, I don't care. You can just take this and you put it through this gap. It could be blue or orange, because they're just the same thing. And some recommendations for this is to lay it out on the floor, so it's easier to do. Because doing it by holding it is a lot harder. It has to be on this side, so then, because later you're going to put a screw in to connect them both. Right now in the instructions it says it's supposed to be there should be 2 ropes and they're each supposed to be hanged like this. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now. So we have to make them just like this, because that's why their instructions comes in handy. So now I will just fast forward this because it'll take a long time. From the rope of the thing, we take this pot and we put it through. Then we take one of these and we put him right here. So guys, this is how it's looking now. This actually looks pretty neat. So now we are going to turn this thing on. We're done! We're finally done! Yes! Let's go! Let's go! All this hard work, we finished! All the hard work! so fun. Me being on it was so good. You should buy one of these.